Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Shopify subscription billing with ReCharge, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize Shopify subscription billing with ReCharge, begin by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Shopify App Store. Search for the ReCharge app using the search bar. Click on the ReCharge app from the search results. Select the Add App button to install ReCharge. Follow the prompts to complete the installation process. Once installed, go back to your Shopify admin dashboard. Locate the ReCharge app in your installed apps list and click on it. You will be directed to the ReCharge dashboard. Begin the setup by following the on-screen instructions. In the setup process, connect your Shopify store to ReCharge. Authorize any necessary permissions when prompted. This connection will enable ReCharge to manage subscription billing. Next, configure your subscription settings according to your business needs. Customize product options, billing intervals, and discount structures. Save your settings once you have made the necessary adjustments. Now, it's time to add subscription products to your store. Navigate to the product section in your Shopify admin panel. Choose the product you wish to enable subscriptions for. Scroll down to the ReCharge subscription options. Select Enable Subscriptions and configure the specifics for that product. Once configured, click Save to apply the changes. Return to the ReCharge dashboard to manage your subscription plans. Create different subscription options as needed for your customers. Test the checkout process to ensure subscriptions function correctly. Check your billing settings to verify everything is set up properly. Monitor subscriptions regularly in the ReCharge dashboard for any issues. Ensure to communicate with your customers about subscription options available. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.